Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Wise account to our PayPal account. Well, to be straightforward, there is no direct way to send money from your Wise account to your PayPal account. So we will be working on a workaround, and for that you need to open up your Wise account, and after opening up your Wise account, just click on this option of send money on the top left hand side corner. So what we are actually doing is that we are sending money from our Wise account to our bank account, and then we can load our PayPal account with money from our local bank account, or we can just connect our bank account to our PayPal account, and whenever we will make any payment using our PayPal, money will be deducted from our local bank account directly. So this way you will have to open up the payment section of the Wise, and in this section you can select this option of same currency or international payments, whatever the need is, and after that select the currency over here, then select the amount, and then select the currency of recipient. It can be any currency, and if you want to send the similar currency, then just go to similar currencies. After that select the currency over here, like if you want to send USD, then let the USD be over here, and after that click on continue. You will be provided with three options. Either you can send it to yourself or someone else, or business or charity. Just choose it appropriately, and after that you will be able to send your money from Wise to your bank account. And right after you get the money in your bank account, you can open up your PayPal account, then open up the PayPal balances. You can click on your bank account and then click on this option of update in order to get the automatic transfers triggered. And after that, whenever you will make any payment on your PayPal or using your PayPal, your money will be deducted from your bank account. And since I have turned it to automatic transfers, that's why I'm not able to see the wallet option over here. You can get the wallet of PayPal. Since it is a new feature, that's why I'm not having it over on my dashboard. But for you, you can click on wallet and load your PayPal account with money from your local bank account. And this is the workaround you can use for sending money from your Wise account to your PayPal account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.